guys, welcome to Rainbow White, and here you are with Alok Kumar. Today we are going to cook a very simple but a very tasty dish. It's called chicken stew. Before going to the preparation, we must have an idea what is stew actually is. Stew, it's a kind of dish made out of meat and vegetables. It's a very slow process of cooking in liquid, in a closed dish or pan, or you can say casserole. That is considered as very nutritious food. There have thousands of recipes followed by different religion and part of the world. But today I am going to share a very simple recipe with you. For the preparation of 2-portion chicken stew, we need the ingredients are 50 grams of butter, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of green cardamom, 2 to 3 pieces of clove, and 1 or 2 pieces of dry bay leaf. In other hand, we have 2 pieces of chicken leg. If you want, you can use any other part of chicken as well. 1 piece of onion, 2 pieces of green chili, 3 cloves of garlic, and 50 grams of ginger. Here I added 4 varieties of vegetables. Those are papaya, carrot, French beans, and potato. But if you like some other vegetables, you can additionally add those vegetables as well. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. And the water is absolutely important because that is a stew that should be thinny. So I use here 1.5 liters of water. So let's go for cooking. Preheat the pan, add the butter and melt it. Add whole spices and cook on slow fire for a while. Add ginger and garlic chop and cook on very slow fire till it's get light brown in color. Then add roughly cut onions and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then this is the time to add chicken pieces. Don't cook for a long time, just 5 to 7 minutes is enough. Then add all the vegetables together. As I told you, I use here 4 varieties of vegetables. Those are carrot, beans, papaya, and potato. Add green chili with vegetable together. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Add sugar and black pepper powder. If you want additional spiciness, then you can increase the amount of black pepper powder as well. Then this is the final step where we are going to add water and mix it well, cover it properly, and cook it on slow fire for last half an hour. You can add salt and adjust seasoning in any step of cooking. So here your chicken stew is ready and it will not take more than 40 to 50 minutes. Just give me feedback if you are going to make that one at your home. You can consume it as a soup. Hope you are going to like that video. Let's see you in another video. Thanks a lot.